Hey guys, uQhawuse vele wafaka uAzande emanzini, uAzande wagwiliza ibhadi and there are high chances ukuthi uzoshona, but either ushonile noma ngashonanga izoshuba either way there by Inimba, and that is what I want us to talk about here on this video. But before we start with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's really get into it. Now, should uQhawuse ehlulile ukhontrol engayakhe after casulo uAzande wabona ukuthi akamphushele emanzini. Mina ke guys, I need to put it out there ukuthi I haven't watched Inimba for about 2 weeks now. Yeah, I think that's 2 weeks ngayibukeli ishow because I was a little busy with something else. So now ngibona nayi phela picture ivela la on my social media, and I was like, hey, what is going on here? And apparently uthi uma ngabe usuyangena lapha endlini kaAzande uqhamukela kaAzande, I mean laptop kaAzande, uma ngabe efaka laptop hayibo nangu phela uAzande trying to register Qhawe's invention under his name, balwe Azande Ncukane, yonke lo nto leyo, meaning that uAzande has betrayed uQhawe. Oh, Qhawe went mad. You guys will remember that uQhawe noZoleka fought like recently, bebangayona le nto leyo. uZoleka emtshela uQhawe uthi Qhawe yekubufebe ngani yami, uAzande will betray you. Azande is not what you think he is, but uQhawe waba uQhawe. Nakhu ke manje sila Azande betrayed uQhawe, tried to steal Qhawe's invention. Now uQhawe sesenkingeni because what she did is ufaka uAzande emanzini, kanti uAzande awazi ukubhukuda. And almost yonke lento lena is that everyone was there when this whole thing happened. uZoleka was there, uLazarus was there, and then zoba uQhawe. So emehlweni ngani umfundiso yonke lonto ezobuya ngathi, oh, so you teamed up and tried to kill my son. Uma ngabe uthi bambulele, obvious umfundiso will say, oh, you teamed up and killed my son. And yonke lento ezobuya ngathi they killed him for his invention or whatever. Guys, ishubile laphayana, and I would like you to comment down in the comment section. Share your thoughts, guys. Share your opinions about this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And all of that being said, Shruti, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.